Good morning, dear little ones.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you all?
Good morning, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hope you had a great weekend.
Yes.
Okay. Did you get time to go through the text?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
All of you read the previous portion?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, yesterday I saw the video of it.
Okay, good. So, shall I ask you questions based on our previous portion? Yes. So, everyone, please keep in muted mode. I will call out your name. At that time, you can unmute. Okay. Isha Binoy. Unmute. Isha. What was the help given by the happy prince and the swallow to the woman?
The swallow and the happy prince gave a red ruby to the woman.
Yes. The swallow and the happy prince gave a red ruby to the woman. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Dia, what do you mean by ruby? Unmute.
Ma'am.
Yes. What do you mean by ruby?
Ma'am, it's a precious red stone.
It is a precious
Gemstone.
red
Gemstone.
Okay, good. Then, the next question. What was the second help done by the swallow? The question is to Gautam.
He can buy wood and food.
Yes, he can sell it and buy
Wood and food.
Okay. Yes, next question is to Harsha. Harsha,
Yes, ma'am.
how was the woman troubling with her difficulties? Happy Prince saw a woman who was undergoing extreme difficult times. How it is portrayed in the story?
The woman was having rough and red hands.
Yes.
Her boy was ill, and she worked hard for money and buying medicines for his boy.
Okay, good. Her face was thin and her hands was rough and red, and her little boy was ill. So if she gets a red ruby, definitely she will be able to buy food and medicine for the boy. Yes. So dear children, do you have any doubts regarding the last class portion?
No, ma'am.
No doubt.
No, ma'am.
Okay, so please keep in muted mode. Okay, everyone. Now we are moving on to the next part of the story. I want one of you to read. Who's going to read?
Ma'am, Ananda can read.
Madhav, read.
Madhav got chance.
I got to give chance to everyone. Okay.
First one was
Children, no, my dear. Page number 10. You read from the paragraph. A little girl.
a little girl is standing her in a square below. She has no money. Take out my other eye and give it to her, said the prince. I cannot take out your other eye. You will not be able to see. See, said the
Swallow.
Swallow. Do as I say, please, replied the prince. The bird took out the prince's eye, flew to the girl and put its jewel in her hand.
Okay, all right. So children, what do you mean by square?
Thank you, ma'am.
What is meant by square?
An opening An opening area surrounded the town.
Buildings in city or town.
Okay, all of you are responding at the same time. I want one of you to give me the answer. Chris Joe, can you read out the meaning of square? It's not just a
Yes,
space.
ma'am. An open
Not just a space
space
that we learn in mathematics. What is square?
an open space with
An open area
word with an open area, all
surrounded by.
buildings and towers surrounded by towers, buildings in city or town.
Okay, okay. I'll show you the picture of the square. Okay, in the textbook you have the picture already, but still I'll show you. Just wait for a
ma'am.
second.
Yes, ma'am.
Usually in the European countries you can find the square.
Most in London.
Yes?
Most in London. Most.
Yes, yes, yes.
Ma'am, I cannot see the ball.
Please wait a second. I'm just getting it loaded.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, screen sharing is stuck.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Ma'am.
who's the host? Ma'am is the host. Ma'am, you're muted.
Ma'am.
You're muted.
Children, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
In
But
between,
your voice is so low.
we lost the connection. That is why. Okay. So I was trying to share the screen for you. Hope you all can see it. Yes, can you see the screen?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
The prince, happy prince and the swallow. Yes. In the last classes, we viewed all these images. Sapphire.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ruby.
Image of swallow.
Swallow.
Then the migrating birds. Yes. This is what you mean by square. Did you see this? An open
ma'am.
area which is surrounded by buildings in a city or a
Or a
town.
town.
So you can see the buildings on the other side, and in the center there is a open space. Once again, another picture. Night view. Again, another square. See the surrounding is fully filled with buildings, and in the center it's open. Okay, all right. So that's it. So I hope you understood what is a square.
Yes,
Did we all get a clear idea?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay. So now, children, everyone listen. We are going to start with today's portion. That is, a little girl is standing there in the square below. She has no money. Take out my other eye and give it to her, said the prince. So, after the prince seeing all the unhappiness, all the difficulties in the life, he understood that he has to do something to help the people. So, first, Happy Prince instructed Swallow to give a red ruby to the woman whose son was ill. And Swallow was so happy to help the woman. It took out the ruby from the princess sword's belt, and it just kept it on the table. Then the second help was that Happy Prince asked the Swallow to take one of his sapphire eyes to the writer. The writer was not able to write anymore because he was weak due to hunger. So if he gets a sapphire, definitely he would be able to sell it and buy wood and food. And the third help, the prince asked the happy prince, will you be able to give another sapphire from my eyes so that the little girl will be able to have a good time? The little girl is standing there in the square below. She has no money. Take out my other eye and give it to her, said the prince. So here we find that the prince eh, is making the third request. The prince is making a third request. What is the request that is done by the prince? Children, what is the request made by the prince for the third time?
Give the another eyes of sapphire.
Nay, give me the answer.
Another. Happy Prince told the swallow to take
The
his
happy
other.
prince wanted swallow to
Wanted the swallow to take his some
take
other
out the other
sapphire
eyes
eyes
and give it to
and
the
give it to
girl
the
who was standing in the
ma'am.
square. Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, but in the story which I have heard, it's told that the girl was selling matchsticks and she has no money and his
Yes,
father will
yes, my dear
scold
boy.
her.
What you have read is correct. I have told you, this is actually a short story, but it has made much more shorter for you because you are only in fifth standard. You are smaller ones, so the story has made into very short. Okay, actually, in the story written by Oscar Wilde, all these explanations are given. The girl who was standing in the square was selling the matchbox, and yes, it fell down and in the water, and she did not have any more money to buy the
Yes,
food and all. So it goes like that. Okay, so Agnay, what you said is
yes, ma'am.
correct, but in our textbook it is not mentioned in detail.
Okay, ma'am.
Good. Okay. Take out my other eye and give it to her, said the prince. So now how many eye does the prince have?
One eye.
One eye. So if the prince
One
gives
eye.
another sapphire eye to the girl, what happens?
He can't
Zero.
see it. Does not have
Yes,
eyes.
he will not be able to see anything at all. The prince's statue was standing high above the city, and that is why he was able to see all the happiness around him. So after giving one of his eyes, only one more eye is remaining, and if he gives that too, he will be completely blind. So we find that swallow refused to do that. Okay, I cannot take out the other eye. You will not be able to see, said the swallow. So swallow became so sad. He told the prince, no, 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 I will not pluck out the other eye from you because you will not be able to see anything. You will become blind. But the prince did not listen to swallow. Do as I say, please, replied the prince. So do as I say. What do you understand from that sentence?
When the king is
What I
Is it a
say,
command or it
you
is a
do it.
request?
Ma'am, he was a king,
David,
so he will
David
always
Menon,
demand.
What I say,
when you look
and
at the
do it,
line, do
please.
as I say, please, replied the
Because
prince.
he
Is
was
it
a
a
prince.
command or a
He
request?
was a prince, that's why he will command.
Request.
Ordering and requesting. He will command. Because he
How
was
many
a
of you say that it is command?
Ma'am,
Just raise your hand.
Ma'am, it was requesting, but
Ma'am, it was his request.
yes,
How
ma'am.
many of you say that it is
Ma'am,
request?
it was a request. A request, ma'am.
Okay, we
It
can
was
just
a
put
request. Request.
he is commanding at the same time he is requesting. Do as I say. It is a command. And he has added please. It is a request. So that sentence shows both commanding and request. Happy Prince is after all a prince. He has authority. So he is
yes,
commanding.
he will reveal.
Swallow, do it. Do as I say. And then he is requesting, please. I cannot go directly and give my sapphire eyes to the girl. So you are here to help me. So please pluck out my other sapphire eyes. Okay. So that sentence is both a mixture of commanding and requesting. Then the bird took out the prince's eye, flew to the girl, and put the jewel in her hand. So what did Swallow do? Was Swallow ready to obey the prince?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Swallow readily obeyed the prince. It took
Yes.
out the prince's eye and flew to the girl and put the jewel in her hand. Okay, now I want Alim Sian to read. Alim,
Yes, ma'am.
read. Read the
The
next
prince-
paragraph.
The prince now depended on the
Louder, louder.
The prince now depended on the swallow to describe whatever he saw. Whenever the prince heard of some suffering, he asked the swallow to take off one piece of gold from his body and give it away.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Alim. The prince now depended on the swallow to describe whatever he saw. Felix Nejo, tell me, why did the prince has to depend on swallow?
Because he cannot see.
Yes,
Because
the prince has to depend on swallow because he was not
cannot
able to
see.
see anything around him. What is the reason, Nandita? Why he was not able to see anything around him?
Because
Why? What is the reason? Nandita, why the prince is unable to see?
yes, ma'am.
Give me the answer.
Because, ma'am, what is the question?
Why the prince is unable to see things?
Because his two eyes were
Hmm.
given to
Ah,
many people.
yes, because his two precious sapphire eyes were given. One was given to the writer and the other one was given to the girl who was
Little
standing in
girl.
the square. Okay. The prince now dependent on the swallow to describe whatever he saw. Now, who is explaining all the things that is happening around?
Swallow.
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 Swallow has become a
Swallow.
great
Swallow.
friend of the happy
Swallow.
prince. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Became
Yes.
prince.
One at a time, please. Pia, did you ask me something?
You told right that swallow is telling what is around him, like what is happening around him.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you hear?
Please be louder.
Ma'am, that the swallow you have right. The swallow is explaining that what is happening around him.
Hmm.
So he is like a eyes of the prince, right?
Yes, exactly. Yes. Swallow is the one who is now describing whatever that he finds around. Okay. He is describing or he is explaining things in detail to the prince because the prince does not have any more eyes and swallow is, yes, he is acting as prince's eyes. Whenever the prince heard of some suffering, he asked the swallow to take off one piece of gold from his body and give it away. So, what is now remaining for the prince? Yes, the body, the statue which was made of gold. Prince has given his ruby, red ruby, to the woman. Then he has given one of his sapphire eyes to the writer, and
Writer and the
another
little
eye was
girl.
given to the girl.
Little girl.
Another eye was given to the girl who was standing in the square. So now, what is remaining with the prince?
His body.
His body which was made out of gold. Whenever he heard the troubles of the people, whenever he heard the sufferings of the people, he asked the swallow to take a bit of gold from his body so that the people can have a happy life. Okay, with the help of gold, they can sell it and they can get the money, or they can use it for whatever they need. All right. Now, Amna Fatima, read the next
Yes, ma'am.
paragraph.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Swallow can took one piece of the.
Gautam, please be louder.
Winters.
Keep your mouthpiece close to your mouth.
Ma'am, he
Ma'am,
is.
how they can the swallow can take one piece of the gold from his body?
With the help of its beak. Maybe the swallow would scratch and take a bit of gold.
Ma'am, no,
Okay, with the
ma'am,
help
the
of its
gold
beak, it
is
can
very
take.
strong. But the beak is that much strong to take the princess gold.
Small bird. How he can
Oh my goodness, you have got a
It's a
plenty of
story,
doubts.
it's fiction.
I really appreciate for the doubts that you're asking. But let me tell you, after all, this is a story. Okay, this is
Not
a
a real thing.
imaginative story. Okay, so you have to.
real ma'am.
Ma'am, I think a small birds have sharp beaks.
Man, your video is stuck.
Like
Ma'am?
failure.
Man, your video is stuck.
Our failure.
Power failure.
Oh, failure. Will come now.
Ma'am?
Failure.
Ma'am? It's me, ma'am.
Will come now. Chinmay is the host. Chinmay is the host.
I'm Adi.
Please speak.
Everyone give clap to Chinmay for becoming host.
From Gaudam Kane. Gaudam Kane. 5A to all. To all.
He didn't write anything. Simply is chatting.
मक्खन खोलो ढक्कन डूबी डूबी डू जिंदगी मक्खन बच्चली बच्चली delicious.
Ramananda to everyone.
I am the host.
No.
Then who told I am the host?
Gaudam Kane to
Ma'am?
everyone. Record.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. It's record. Thank you, Gaudam, for the reminding. Ramananda to everyone. Venu. Dino.
Dino.
Okay.
Getting recorded.
Okay.
Ma'am can see.
Ma'am,
Recording the video. Yes.
No, ma'am, it's not there.
Why? But it's recording, right?
It's not there.
What was this? Man can see. Correct. Keep going. It's getting recorded. Wow. Stop chatting. This will be edited. From Abhimanyu to everyone.
keep quiet, please.
Angelina goes to everyone. Correct your share.
When is our next class?
What is the time?
11:59. 11:59. I want to finish this class and then
If it becomes 12 o'clock,
Next class is
end
when?
this meeting, okay?
Next class is when?
If it becomes 12 o'clock, end this meeting.
Ma'am came.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am Kim?
Your video is off.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, can I read?
Yes, read.
Ma'am, winter set in, but the swallow stayed back. It grew colder and colder.
Time is over.
Nevertheless, the
Amna, unmute, unmute. Unmute and read.
okay, ma'am. Winter set in, but the swallow stayed back. It grew colder and colder. Nevertheless, the swallow did not leave. One day, gathering up his last bit of strength, the swallow flew up, said goodbye to the prince, and fell dead at his feet. The people noticed the statue, bare of all the jewels, and pulled it down and threw it along with the dead swallow. However, those who had received the help and love and gratitude in their hearts for the happy prince and the swallow. Real happiness is found in making others happy. Nothing is more precious than a heart that cares for others.
Okay, all right. So we find that the winter set in, the winter season has arrived, but swallow stayed back. Actually, the swallow was traveling to distant lands. We know that. Okay, but then he thought of taking a rest. That is how he happened to meet the happy prince. So the climate became very cold and cold, but the swallow did not leave. Okay, in spite of becoming the climate cold, the swallow did not leave the prince because the prince had lost both of his eyes. He was not able to see. One day, gathering up his last bit of strength, the swallow flew up, said goodbye to the prince, and fell dead at his feet. So, how did the swallow become? How? What was the children? I hope you can hear me. Yes.
Yes,
What was the
ma'am.
condition of swallow now? When the climate became too cold, was swallow able to
Too
withstand the
cold.
climate?
Yeah, because
He was
the
not able to
because he
withstand with the
gathered
climate. And due to extreme cold, swallow fell dead at the prince's feet. Yes. The people noticed the statue bare of all the jewels. Bare means without. People noticed that the
Ma'am, can
statue
you
did
talk
not
little
have the
more
two sapphire
louder?
eyes, it did not have a ruby, and it was not covered with gold because everything was lost. Everything was given away to the people who were needy. And they pulled out, the people pulled it down and threw it along with the dead swallow. So the statue became so ugly now and it was thrown away. However, those who had received help had love and gratitude in their hearts for the happy prince and the swallow. So whoever received the help from the prince and the swallow,
Ma'am,
they were
can you
so,
talk little
yes,
more
they were so
Can you
happy.
talk a little more loudly?
Yes.
because here
Yes.
is raining.
Yes. So the people had love and gratitude for both the happy prince and the swallow. So, what is the message that you get from the story?
Real happiness is found
Real
in
happiness
making
We have to
other happy.
is making for others
Precious than earth that cares for others.
Is the story clear to you, children?
Yes,
Okay. Shall we wind up the session?
Yes,
yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
I'll see you in the next
ma'am.
class. Thank you all.
Ma'am.
Thank you.